Today, we're diving into something straight up outrageous. Not just another high-end RV. This thing flips the entire luxury motorhome game on its head. Welcome back to Indus Auto YT 2026. If you're into over-the-top, next-level machines, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because what you're about to see is on a whole different level. Today's spotlight is on the ultra-luxury Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome, a 6-axle mega-coach inspired by the legendary design DNA of the Rolls-Royce Phantom. This isn't your typical RV. It's a rolling estate designed for people who think private jets are standard and 5-star hotels are just average. Right off the bat, the exterior commands attention. Finished in a deep metallic royal blue with a mirror gloss shine, the paint throws back reflections like polished glass. It doesn't just look expensive, it feels exclusive. Up front, the signature tall vertical chrome grille with an illuminated surround instantly signals pure Rolls-Royce heritage. Clean, regal, unmistakable. The extended limousine-style body stretches across 6 axles, giving it a long, dominant stance that owns every lane it enters. Slim LED matrix headlights with razor-sharp white DRL signatures bring a modern edge, while the sculpted aerodynamic bumper integrates sleek LED light strips for a futuristic finish. Every detail is dialed in, from the panel alignment to the chrome accents. This isn't just design, it's craftsmanship at scale. Step inside and you'll immediately realize this is not your standard motorhome layout. The cabin takes cues from first-class aviation. Fully reclining captain-style seats are arranged in pairs, wrapped in cream and navy blue leather with detailed diamond stitching. Embossed Rolls-Royce insignias on the headrests and illuminated RR badging across the upper panels elevate the vibe instantly. Soft ambient blue LED lighting flows through the cabin, matching the exterior theme and creating a seamless luxury atmosphere. High-gloss piano black trim meets chrome accents, delivering a polished, executive aesthetic. And then there's the fiber-optic star ceiling, inspired by the iconic Starlight headliner, casting a subtle glow overhead. It transforms the space into a private jet lounge on wheels. Panoramic tinted windows with automatic curtains let you adjust privacy on the fly, while marble finish flooring with a glossy reflection adds that penthouse-level touch. Moving toward the rear, the master suite is where things get seriously impressive. A king-sized bed sits center stage, framed by a deep navy and cream leather headboard embossed with Rolls-Royce branding. Subtle blue LED lighting beneath the bed echoes the exterior underglow, tying everything together. High-gloss walnut paneling and chrome trim surround the room, giving it a contemporary yet timeless feel. A panoramic side window with smart privacy glass allows you to switch from open views to complete discretion in seconds. Warm, indirect lighting keeps the atmosphere calm and refined. It's not just a bedroom, it's a luxury retreat. The kitchen carries the same upscale energy. Deep navy high-gloss cabinetry pairs beautifully with white marble countertops. Brushed chrome handles and integrated smart touch display panels show that technology plays just as big a role as design. You've got a hidden induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine for those early mornings, and a premium stainless steel refrigerator to keep everything fresh. Soft blue under-cabinet LED lighting sets a relaxed mood, while the panoramic window brings in natural light. It's sleek, functional, and undeniably first class. Up front, the cockpit blends luxury and technology seamlessly. A sweeping panoramic windshield delivers wide, confident visibility. The ultra-wide digital dashboard display puts navigation, vehicle data, and controls right in front of you. Crystal-inspired rotary controls provide that signature tactile feedback Rolls-Royce is known for. The cream and navy blue leather steering wheel with chrome detailing feels premium in hand, while diamond-stitched leather across the dash and polished aluminum air vents give the cabin a modern edge. Fully adjustable captain's chairs with massage functionality ensure long drives stay comfortable. This isn't less driver's seat and more executive control center. Under the hood sits a twin-turbo V12 engine engineered to move this massive coach with confidence. Despite its size, it's built to glide smoothly and deliver effortless acceleration. The engine bay showcases heavy-duty components, polished aluminum finishes, and signature badging, all coordinated with the exterior's deep metallic blue theme. It's powerful, refined, and built to perform. This concept is clearly aimed at elite clientele, so security is top tier. Armored windows, advanced surveillance systems, and biometric entry controls are integrated to provide maximum protection. Whether you're traveling across the country or arriving at a high-profile event, privacy and peace of mind are part of the package. Now let's talk numbers. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, a machine of this caliber would easily land in the multi-million-dollar range. With its materials, engineering, and Rolls-Royce pedigree, the price would reflect its exclusivity and craftsmanship. This isn't built for the masses, it's built for a select few. So what truly sets the Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome apart? It's not just transportation, it's a statement, a mobile luxury estate, a fusion of performance, design, and elite comfort wrapped into one commanding presence. If you're chasing the ultimate in VVIP travel or simply appreciate automotive artistry at its finest, this concept represents the top tier of what luxury mobility can look like. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Indus Auto YT for more premium automotive content. Until next time, stay driven, stay inspired, and always roll in style.